Jeez, look at this. The amount of water coming down here. Yeah, there's some clearing. Oh wow. Those rocks are so submerged. Let's go. Oh, that pipe is clogged. No wonder it's doing this. It wouldn't make a difference. Oh my gosh. Look at it all. Look at this. Alright, let's unclog this pipe. Oh yeah, there we go. Wow, this is waterfall. I must see this. Oh my gosh, I think the water washed out the waterfall here. Oh no. Let's take a look downstream. It's not even like land here anymore. This would be a waterfall on normal days, but it's just a rapid now. Jeez. Look at this. The current. So this dam works. It should be spilling into it like this, coming out like that. Look at the size of the pond. Wow. I don't think opening that pipe did anything. Let me see if I can get it any better. Oh, it's fully open. Oh, now it's blasting. Oh. Wow, this is going like crazy. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. This is the most I've ever seen this river flow with the rock dam. Thanks for watching.